and this is my 1991 Toyota MR2. It's the 3SG motor with 158 horsepower. It's a full UK car, so obviously it's got its problems, mainly rust. Being a UK car, it's got leather, the fog lights, it's got the storage rack inside, which only normally comes on the turbos. Like I said, it has got its problems. I paid £50 for the car. It needs sills, it needs arches, full suspension. Plan is to keep it standard-ish, probably end up putting coilovers on it just to keep it a bit lower. Alloys, I'm in two minds whether to keep the original 5-spokes or get something a little bit newer. You can get them wheels in a diamond cut finish, which I'm sort of swaying towards now. It just gives a bit more modern look. Up to now, all I've done is install the alloy radiator, because the other one was rotten on the bottom as well as everything else was rotten on the bottom. And I changed the alternator, which is a common fault on them. The engine tray collects water, it drips straight down the alternator. So that was absolutely goosed. Did that a while back now. And the plans for today are to fix the electrical gremlins. It doesn't actually turn off. You can turn the key, take the key out and the car will still run. So we're thinking relays, fuses. I've got a full new fuse box which we can change out, swap some relays about, test some things and hopefully find that.
This is where the hard work begins, because there's just rust everywhere. Tin rot, tin worm even. Sills, rear quarters, inner sills. There's now water in the footwell from somewhere. This is going to be another welding episode, I'm going to warn you now. There's going to be lots of welding. But we might actually explain something this time. On another note, in case I forget to do it at the end, go over Instagram, like us on there, follow us, whatever it is, tweet us. Other thing, this door is going to become a sticker door. So if you've got any spare stickers that you don't want, send them our way and we'll stick them on the door. So it's pretty rotten. It's like this on both sides. I'll come to the back in a second. But on this side, we need to do like the inner sill and the outer sill. We've got some outer sill replacement parts, but the inner sill we're going to have to fabricate ourselves. Lemmy's painted the sills. He's got himself some 1.2 mild plate. So Baz is cutting the templates out now, and Lemmy's going to cut the templates once they're on the metal, and then we're going to attempt to save this Japanese hero's life. Maybe.
That's my new pet.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I've jacked up on the sills, but there's no sills to jack on.
So the rot's a little bit worse than even we first anticipated when we knew it was bad. So I think the best course of action is to just lop all of the sill off and then see what we're actually dealing with. So I'm making up some templates. Like I said before, a lot of the arches just got finito, unrecoverable. So I need to make some of these cardboard templates just so I know what shape it is before I cut it out. So I've traced around the bit that I want to do. I'm doing it in small sections and I've cut it out, make sure it fits. Once I know it fits, I can then start on removing some of this old dead metal. Once I've done that, I can weld this back in once I've cut it out of some 1.2 mild steel. The only problem with this particular piece, the bit that I've decided to start with, is that the bit that I need to cut out is kind of obscured by the exhaust. So, exhaust off. In case you were wondering as well, they have disappeared. It's not just them being quiet for a bit. So, made myself some templates, lots and lots of templates. Looks like arts and crafts at the daycare centre down here, but I am pretty much done. dark, I'm tired, I want to go home, but we've made good progress. Baz has been an absolute hero, fucking just knocked that out the park, that still. I took my time, because that's all I do. And I finished that off. Well, not finished, there's a little bit, but yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the shitty bell, and follow us on Instagram. That's about it. See ya. Yo, Lem.
Yo.
Take your car out.
There's more of it than here than outside.
True story, bro.